Hey there folks, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the ink cartridges on an HP DeskJet F4480. We're going to go ahead and turn it on, and while we're waiting for it to do so, we're just going to open the tray here, and the door here on the front is just going to pull down, and the cartridges are going to swing out in front. Just give it a sec. Okay, this is the color right here, and this is the black and white. And in case you didn't already figure it out, the instructions are right there. And all it is saying is for each one, push down and pull out, just like that. And these take 60. You can get either regular or extra large. They're the same actual size. It just means that they're full of more ink. Then after you're done, push until it clicks. Black and white. Same thing, pull out. And when you're ready, give it a wiggle and click. And you're going to close up shop. And you're good to start printing. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and please like and subscribe.